These are the kind of recipes you'll come back again and again. Simple, satisfying and packed with flavor. Snack, side or something in between. Let's jump in. We are kicking things off with a quick snack that's bold, crispy and way too easy to keep eating. Let's get right into it. Start by building the flavor base in a bowl. First, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Smoky, a little sweet, and that's that golden warmth. Then 1 teaspoon of hot pepper for just the right kick, and 1 teaspoon of salt to round it all out. And now olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. It ties everything together with a smooth, peppery richness. This is where the aroma really comes alive. Give it all a good mix, and there's your flavor bomb, ready to go. Now lay out the tortilla and start brushing on that sauce, gently but thoroughly, edge to edge. Let the spiced oil sink in. Flip it over and repeat, both sides deserve the flavor. It's like a spa treatment, just with paprika instead of steam. Now slice it up. I'm going with diamond shapes, because why not to make your snack a little fancy? Then into the air fryer they go, 180 degrees Celsius, 5 minutes. And halfway through, give them a gentle shake. It helps them crisp up evenly, no soggy spots. And just like that, golden, crunchy and packed with flavor. These aren't just chips, they are proof that a few simple ingredients with a little attention can turn into something seriously craveable. Enjoy! Ready for a snack that's perfect with a cold beer? Let's start with a simple can of beans. Open it, drain the liquid and give the beans a good rinse. Pour them into a bowl. Season with salt, pepper and your favorite spices. Think Italian herbs for a touch of Mediterranean. Give them a generous drizzle of olive oil and toss to coat everything nicely. Now transfer these seasoned beans into the air fryer. Make sure to stir them a few times as they cook to ensure they crisp up evenly. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. What emerges will be the perfect crunchy companion to your beverage. Enjoy discovering this delightful snack. The next recipe is a unique twist on a classic snack that's been taking the UK by storm. This recipe transforms a humble kitchen staple into a crispy, savory treat. Start with thin hot dogs and, surprisingly, a vegetable peeler. Shave long, thin slices along the length of each hot dog, creating delicate, chip-like pieces. Arrange these slices in a single layer in your air fryer basket. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes and watch as they transform into crispy golden delights. These unexpected chips are versatile, perfect as appetizers, protein-packed snacks, or creative garnishes for soups and salads. Sausage chips. Who knew hot dogs could be so crispy and addictive? Enjoy this innovative twist on a classic. Next on our culinary adventure, we are creating a cheese snack mix, a blend of 3 delectable cheeses, each bringing a unique character to our dish. In a bowl, grate equal parts of cheddar, parmesan and gouda. That's our trio of cheese stars. To this, we add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat and a sprinkle of Italian herbs for an aromatic twist. Mix them all together, ensuring each cheese is well integrated with the spices. Now, take a sheet of parchment paper and lay it in the air fryer basket. Spread the cheese mixture evenly on the paper, forming a thin layer. This is crucial for achieving that irresistible crispiness we're after. Turn the air fryer up to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 minutes. What emerges is a magnificent, large cheese chip, perfectly crispy and rich in flavor. It's a simple yet impressive snack, ideal for any occasion. Get ready to indulge in this cheesy, crunchy delight. Coming in next, we have crispy potato fritters. These potato balls are a true find for the foodies. To begin, we peel 3 potatoes and shred them using a julienne slicer. Then mix it with 3 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, add spices: paprika, curcuma, salt and hot pepper. Now, give everything a good mix, add a bit of olive oil, give it a stir and then let it rest for 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the potatoes to release their natural juices, making it easier to shape them into perfect little balls. Now, we're all set to start shaping the balls. Place those balls into the air fryer and fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now you have perfect crispy spicy snack for your next TV binge watch. Get ready to enjoy a crunchy snack that transforms a simple fruit into a delightful treat. Start by placing a green apple on your cutting board. After removing the core with a quarter, slice the apple crosswise into thin rounds. Sprinkle the slices with a mixture of cinnamon and sugar and toss them to coat evenly. Next, arrange our slices in the air fryer and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. You'll end up with crispy, delicious apple chips. Serve these chips with a dip that complements their flavor perfectly. Try mixing yogurt with honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. These next ones light, salty and surprisingly satisfying with just 2 main ingredients. Crack 2 eggs into a silicone baking mold. Now add 4 heaping tablespoons of tapioca starch. No need to be precise, just scoop it in. Season with a bit of salt. You can toss in extra spices if you're feeling adventurous, but this works great with just the basics. Whisk everything together until smooth. You're aiming for a silky, even mixture. Then, straight into the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. What you'll get is a soft, springy pancake, almost like a chewy crepe. Let it cool slightly, then cut it into bite-sized squares. About a centimeter each works well, but make it your way. Then, drop those squares back into the air fryer. Another 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and get ready, because what happens next might surprise you. They puff up and turn golden, light, airy and perfectly crisp all around. The result? Golden, airy and surprisingly crunchy, like savory little biscuits, fresh out of thin air. Perfect for snacking and yes, dangerously easy to eat the whole batch. Enjoy!